Hello, Scuba for Life with a quick review of the SEIKO SNE107 Solar Diver. This is a culmination of a bunch of SEIKOs I've had, and the reason I say that is because it takes features from a lot of the other ones I've had that I like, but I was able to carry over for this. One of them being the day-date display. Of course, you have the marker on the 60-minute for the bezel that glows also at night. The dial on this, I'll start just showing features that really stand out. The dial on this really stands out over, say, the vintage ones, or even like something like an SBBN 015. That's a flat black. This actually has a lighting effect when you put light against up. It's really cool. The bezel on this turns really well also, and it reminds you of the monster when you. And then so the features that I like of this that I took away from some of my previous other ones, specifically SSC017, were the white trimmed hands that this one also has. It's a lot easier to read, and then this has a nice balance also of the marker size and the hand size. Where if you look at the sawtooth, that one is not really balanced. On that one, the markers are larger than the hands. The grip is very easy to use, as you see here on the bezel. You have marks, and then you also have the indentations. But you also have holes here for the lugs to switch bands a lot easier also. When you turn around, it's what you'd expect from a SEIKO case back. Air Divers 200 meter, the tsunami, and the emblazoned SEIKO logo. So that's about all I have to say on it overall. Just another really accurate court-based SEIKO diver. It's no coincidence for me if you ask me why they're using quartz movements on the tunas, although they still have some of the spring dive models. It's just because it's a lot lower maintenance, and this is definitely not an exception. Um, the loom on this also I need to mention is is almost up to par as a monster. I say almost, but I mean the thing will still glow all night, and that's all that I really care for. All right, so if you have a watch that you like, specifically a Seiko diver, I just recommend to go ahead and post a video up because a lot of people will appreciate you sharing what opinion you have or information on the watch, especially when they're deciding on getting it or not. All right.